Hi guys, KidsNoose on the go. Yeah, meaning on the go means we are on the go on a car and we are going somewhere special episode for you people. We are going, come on, let's show them. Not a lion place, it's not a lion place. I can say lion, but it's not a lion place. We are going on a goat farm.
Yeah, Hay-Diaries-Goat-Farm HD, known as high definition.
Zoom in, yeah, say diaries. See my finger there?
Yeah.
Wait, my.
Wait! Got toilet here?
Yeah, some kind. A bit smelly, but you can't smell it. Someone want to take dustbin photo. There's also milk by chocolate and normal fresh milk. It's not like sweet milk, but fresh milk. I think you want to go for it. Look at guys, a Lamborghini. Fish. See a Lambo there. Wow, that's cool. The goat is inside there. Huh? You know? Why not? I don't know. Huh? Oh. See. Free. Okay, hold your breath. It's kind of smelly. Okay. Alright, this is the kids tour. I'm Herman, the tour guide to the goat farm, and this is Bella Lala. She's thinking the place is too smelly, and this is Royce Dayapi. I don't know whether he's smelling. I'm not smelling anything because I hold my breath. See this? The goat. But it's kind of smelly, and you don't really feel like going there because you can already feel that it is too smelly there. You see a goat there? Hi goat, it's drinking water. Yeah, last time we can go in, but now we can't. Yeah, last time we all can go in by there.
Then more smellier.
Yeah, that means more smellier. Now,
Then how? You close the back?
of course I close my mouth. I don't feel like smelling huh? It's so cute there. Let's take a view.
Oh, baby, so sad.
Separate from the parents. Rat. It's a rat. Can't tolerate 10 out of 10 pig poo here. It's too smelly and poopy. Look, a crow. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, Esmeralda can't stand it because it's too smelly. No, she's too smelly. The place is too smelly. He is trying to hold his breath. But look.
Fire truck.
Goat is all everywhere. Fire truck. Look at that goat drinking water. Too smelly for us. you see how... There! He covered his mouth and the nose. Alright guys, we are going to head to another place which is the... Woo! Wow, that scared me. And luckily the crow did not hit my face or else I would be severely injured. Okay, let's see. Yeah, correct. Yeah, this is our worst.
Guys, again, this is KidsNoose on the go.
Yeah. And look, we cannot go see the babies. Too sad. Look at Bella, so smelly. Oh my god, that's their food. Too smelly. Ah, so cute.
What is that?
Oh. Eat your urine. What? Good. Meh, meh. I don't know, there are hundreds. Yeah, I want, but then we cannot go in. Okay, let's go. This way. You heard that? Huh? What? Look!
You will enjoy some delicious goat milk. So goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.
Herman Lo, Royce Dayaki, and Bella Lala signing off.
Oh, from KidsNoose S5.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, boy.
But not KidsNoose S5 as Look Common channel, but S5 KidsNoose. Okay, goodbye.
You got the camera good, sir. I never been camera.
Okay, bye.